the F-14 Tomcat. Designed in the 1970s to defend U.S. Navy aircraft carriers, is armed with a 20mm Vulcan cannon and is capable of carrying a variety of missiles and bombs. The F-14D Super Tomcat. Introduced in the late 1980s, despite its great potential, the F-14 Tomcat was discontinued in favor of the F/A-18 Hornet, owned by the U.S. military. As the Cold War F-14 Tomcat began to heat up, the U.S. Navy wanted a more advanced interceptor to defend its carriers from the Soviet Union. In the mid-1960s, the F-14 Tomcat fighter successfully made its maiden flight in 1970, less than 2 years after Grumman was awarded the contract. From the beginning, the Tomcat was designed primarily for air-to-air combat. In terms of armament, each F-14 Tomcat is equipped with a General Electric and Vulcan M61A 120mm cannon, with 675 rounds of ammunition, which are mounted internally. In addition, the F-14 Tomcat also carries AIM-7, AIM-9, and AIM-54 missiles. The F-14 Tomcat can also carry air-to-ground weapons such as Rockeye bombs and CBU cluster bombs. Despite its great capabilities, the F-14 Tomcat was still the most expensive fighter aircraft when it was first introduced. In the 1970s, the F-14 Tomcat was revived to produce a replacement for the F-4 Phantom. The F-14D Super Tomcat was the last variant introduced by Grumman in the late 1980s. The F-14D Super Tomcat also had the Lantern targeting system that allowed the delivery of a series of laser-guided bombs for precision strikes in air-to-ground combat missiles. The F-14D Super Tomcat is also capable of carrying the Tactical Air Reconnaissance Pod System, or called TARPS, which provides tactical reconnaissance on the battlefield. Perhaps most impressively, the F-14D Super Tomcat can also carry 4 Joint Strike Munitions, or called JADM,